We're gonna show on this video real quick where in the software you can create QR codes. So you can create a QR code for any page, any location you want a specific page for somebody to go to. You know what a QR code is? It's basically that image that they put on their phone. They go to their camera, they scan it, and it goes right to the website. So I always recommend, doing one for your homepage. That's one way to start. But this will show you in the software where to actually go create it. I'll do it for you right now. MG Pressure is a client of mine. He wants a few of them, so I'm going to do one for his homepage. I'm also going to do one for his contact page, so they can reach out to him right away, get access to his form to schedule a discussion on a bid or something. So he's a maintenance, repair, a cleaning uh, uh, provider, all things cleaning, power washing, exterior, interior, house, and everything else. So what you do is you go to sites in your account on the left. You can go over to QR codes. And let's go back, and I'm going to duplicate this page really quick because I want to copy a couple URLs. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to the actual site, the website, and I'm going to save. I'm going to go pull up this page as a URL, and I'm going to do the contact page as a URL. It's his contact page. So we're going to do a QR code for this page and this page, and we're going to go right here to do it. Create a QR code. You just click up here, go to sites, QR code, create a QR code, call it homepage. Okay, website. You can do QR codes for all kinds of things. I mean, it's incredible the features that we got. Dozens and dozens of tools. Go to next, put the URL there. So we'll start with the contact page, copy it, paste it. There you go. And I'm not going to change any of the features, or you got all things you can do. Let's do something kind of cool. I like the way it looks with border. If you do a border that makes it a little bit defined, that's kind of cool. And you just go here and you go download. Now it's on your computer. It's on my computer homepage. I'm going to relabel that and send it to him to put on some marketing material. There you go. Homepage. It's labeled. So let's create another QR code. This is going to be a contact page. Web URL. Actually, I think I messed that up. The first one I did was the contact page. I'll have to look at that. Let's do the home page. Copy. Home page. Website. I'll have to double check these, see if they're right or wrong. I might have mixed them up, but that's why we double check our work. Home page. Let's do a border. And let's download it. Yeah, I think I messed up. I'll have to relabel those. Save. But that's how you do it. I'll have to figure out which one's which. But there you go. Appreciate it. Good luck. And all you got to do is copy them right here. Go right here, copy the link or download, and I can email them at that point to whatever you want to do. Send it to the print shop, put them on your business cards. We're going to do a folder, actually a flyer, call it a poster. That's like going to be on a card that we're going to put out at some locations for him, and also mail to a database of past clients of a colleague of his. So there you go.